Make sure you tell people she's the only one that's that big, and we think she's gonna have carrying young.
Well, we know now because you just said it on the video, Mom.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hi, guys. We just got this suet, which is basically lard with seeds and fruit in it. And this squirrel
is obsessed.
Is like so happy. Here, let me move. The camera's gonna go wild for a minute because I need to move my camera bag. There. Okay, I'm gonna get closer. Hopefully I don't scare her away.
I don't think anything's gonna scare her away.
Yeah, no, I don't think so either. She's in love with the suet.
Yeah, she's had it before, but she's just obsessed.
She's so determined to get it that she, like, hung upside down from it. I'm so glad that I tied that to the branch like someone recommended. And I also tied, there's like a door that you put the suet in. And I tied that with a twisty tie too. She tried to open it, but it didn't work. And we got it for the birds. But as you can see...
Yeah, and we hung it on a light branch because we thought that would help.
Oh, she almost fell. She is determined to get and eat all of it. I remember we went grocery shopping and we came home and she was sitting on the branch underneath it with her legs spread apart with her belly hanging down, munching away.
Yeah, and the person that gave us the ride thought she was so funny. I think she's going to have babies.
Yep.
Because they have them in the winter and then in the spring.
She's so happy.
I'm going to go lay down, please.
Okay. Nom nom, look at her, nom nom. Where's your nom 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 noms? Nom 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 nom. Oh, she's back for more. Oh, and this is with my new camera. Do you like the quality? Yum 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 yum. Oh, she almost fell. That branch is holding a hefty load. Look at her munch away. Num 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 num.
Well, she hasn't eaten that much of it.
She's nibbling at the edges.
No, that's Fluffy.
Yes, we call this squirrel Fluffy because she has really furry fur on the back of her ears. Compared to some of, like, a lot of the other squirrels. And she is quite fluffy. Look at that booty.
I named her after the comedian.
Yes. Gabriel Iglesias, Fluffy. We love you, Fluffy! Oh, there's another squirrel. Are they talking? Where'd you go?
That one's a lot smaller.
Yes. Our Fluffy's a big one.
Or did he try to come up there too, the other one?
Well, they just looked at each other.
Yeah, I think they're afraid of her.
Well, she's big.
Yeah.
We don't want to mess with her.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, he's trying.
The other squirrels want some.
Yeah.
Oh, fighting over the suet.
We'll have to put some up higher for the birds. Yeah.
I didn't know it was going to be a problem.
Is that the heavy one or a different one?
Oh, that's a different squirrel on there. Good for you,
Yeah,
little
knocked her
one.
off.
Good for you. It's like, so good. Yum, 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 yum.
There's another one on the ground, or there was.
Aren't you cute?
Yeah, We don't care who eats that.
No, I just like seeing all of these adorable nature critters.
I'm going to go lay back down because of my cold.
Okay.
I think I'm going to take some cough medicine.
Okay. Aren't you cute? Hello. Yes. So if the video stops, it's because my card has been filled up. So if it stops abruptly, that's why. Aren't you cute? Nom 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 nom. Look at those pretty eyes. With a hungry baby. Oop, oop, there it goes.
Did he leave?
Yep, that one left.
Yeah, none of them are like her.
Oh, 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 oh.
Is that
I
Fluffy?
don't think it's fluffy, but it's hard to tell now.
I know.
I see poof behind the ears. I think.
That's not. I don't think that's Fluffy.
No? It does look, maybe, is it smaller?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard, they are quite floofy right now because it's winter.
Yeah, and they're cold.
They love that suet. Yum, yum, yum.
No, when the big one's on the branch is really down.
That's true. This one's not, it's hanging on just fine.
Yeah, because it's a normal size.
Hi, cutie.
I'm
Yeah. Hello, little one. Excuse me as I talk baby talk to the squirrelies. I'm filling those cheekies up real good. Num 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 num. Num num num. Oh, 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 it's stuff falling on its chest. Aren't you cute? And hanging on it. Yes, you are. Yeah. Oh. All right, well, I'll leave you be and stop watching you like a stalker. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the squirrely content, literally. With the pretty fur. All right, I hope everyone's staying warm that's in the cold temperatures, and also for everybody that's experiencing all those horrible fires. I hope you're safe. And the squirrely says, stay safe, everybody. Squeak! Okay, bye-bye.